guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a collaboration and it's called Styling My Way, and it's an open collaboration and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Design with Emma. It's co-hosted by Pure Elegance by Kim, Sandy Lynn Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Debbie Bubbles, Bean Melbee, Decorating with Jazigreen, and myself, Soniadownsouth. And the theme for this collaboration is holiday styling. So I personally decided to do my tablescape for Thanksgiving because this is the way I will be styling my table on Thanksgiving. And I want you to be with me as I show you like a little sneak peek of what I'm gonna do for Thanksgiving. Guys, here I only set the table for 4, but during Thanksgiving holidays, I will have it set for 8 in this same style with maybe a few little touches, extra touches to it. But this is the style that I'm going to use on Thanksgiving Day. So I'm doing a styling my way today to show you what it's going to look like on the holiday. And here I like to tell you the colors that I used. My primary color was cream. My secondary color was green. And my accent color was gold. Those are the 3 colors I used on this table. And here I'm going to take the table setting apart so that you could see the different layers of what I used on to make this place setting. I used a gold charger and a gold placemat to set the table with. I used a cream colored plate with some design in it, some flowers in it. And I used a salad plate to go on top of that. And then the final thing was a gold napkins. And I made it into a knot rather than put a napkin holder on it. I also used green glasses, champagne glasses, and green candles. Over here, I just put some green and white pumpkins in some clear vases just to give it a little bit of a decorative look to match with the table. And as you see, my lamps are gold, so that kind of set off the gold in the napkins as well. Thanks to Anna and Emma for hosting this collaboration, and for all the co-hosts. Don't forget to go over to all the ladies' channels and watch as they style their way. Okay guys, here's my final reveal, and I'm going to light the candles and let you see how it would look if it was under candlelight at night. Thanks for watching. May God bless you and may God keep you. Bye-bye.